Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph of a crinkly bag and want to put this label on it. And I was really surprised. You can still see the blue a little bit through there. Maybe we can work on that. This thing does not trace whatsoever. So I'm going to make a duplicate and move it over. And I'm going to do something I very seldom ever do, and that's I'm going to hand trace this. Because on something like this, you have some flexibility. So I'm just going to go from corner to corner, and I'm actually going to get that little part of the bag. Then I'm going to get my shape tool. I'm going to select everything. I'm going to right click and turn everything into a curve. And by doing that, I can press on this and get a handle. And what I was saying about a little flexibility, who knows what the real bag looks like after you do what we're going to do to it. We're going to basically crop it and just kind of make our own bag. And like you can see, this needs to probably come down, and I'm not going to take a lot of time. If I was doing it for real, I might take a little bit more time. But we got it pretty good, I think, right in here. And it's, it's a silver bag, so it's it's almost hard to make it perfect. I'm going to right click and turn that into a cusp. And by doing that, it only moves one handle. I might have done not very good job there. Now I'm going to nudge this over. I'm going to nudge this over, and I'm going to turn it blue, and I'm going to go back to my bag with my pick tool, and I'm going to select them both, and I'm going to hit intersect. And there's our new bag. And who says it's not perfect? It's